In this video, we're going to talk all about fog, the different types of fog and how each one forms. And when we're talking about fog, this is really just a cloud that's so low in elevation that it's either right above or touching the ground. And a lot of the times, fog is considered an atmospheric hazard. It's something that's going on in our atmosphere that's dangerous. And if you've ever driven early in the morning, you might have experienced fog. It makes driving pretty dangerous, which is one of the main reasons why it's a hazard. But we see that almost all types of fog form because of cooling. We're either going to have it as radiation cooling, where something really hot is going to radiate its energy and cool down, or we're going to have air moving on top of or over a colder surface. But either way, we have fogs forming because of cold air or a cold surface. So one of the types of fog that can form is called upslope fog. And this happens when we have a slope, kind of like a hill that we see in this image. When we have humid air, or air that's holding a lot of water vapor, and it moves up the slope, as it increases its elevation, it's going to cool down, causing that upslope fog to form. Another type of fog that we are going to see is called radiation fog. And this develops where we have that radiation cooling going on. So Earth's surface heats up really quickly during the day. But that also means that it cools off really quickly once the sun has set. So this radiation fog develops on like really cold, not quite cold, but cool, clear, calm nights without precipitation. It's just fog that's forming above our surface as our surface cools down really, really quickly. Another type of fog that we're going to see is called advection fog. And this can happen a lot around really big bodies of water, specifically around San Francisco. So in this image, we can see that there is air that is moving over cold water. So this air is going to be warm and moist. It's coming from a warm, moist ocean. But it's going to start moving over that cold surface water. And as it does, it's going to form this advection fog. The moist air is going to be cooled by all that cold water underneath it. Our final type of evaporation can easily be confused with that advection fog. But this type is called steam fog. And now this is going to be cold air moving over warm water. With our last type, it was warm air moving over cold water. So everything's flipped for steam fog. Here we have cooler air moving over warmer water. It's going to create a type of fog that makes it look like that warm water is evaporating into our atmosphere. But instead, it's just heat and moisture that's been transferred from that warm water to the cooler air above it.